Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Saturday, March 8th at 7 a.m. in the morning. We are continuing my design of my hand-drawn coloring book. So today we are going to be doing a little bat. So in our barn, up in the loft, we would play in the barn all the time. Well, on the weekends and when we got home from school and during the summer. We would always find little brown bats hanging upside down in the barn, hanging on the wall from the rafters. We never bothered them. They were just cool to watch. They would dive bomb insects at night after dusk. You could see them. We had the good old-fashioned, which they still have them, yard lights. Security lights out in the barnyard, and when you're out there you could see them just swoop down and hit the insects. There were millions of insects. They were pretty cool to watch. And there was a cave not far from us, about 10 minutes or 10 miles from the house, and you'd have to walk back about a quarter mile. Had a big opening. It went back kind of far, but you could see the bats hanging on the walls, and if you were out there at dusk you could see them all fly out at night, going on their little hunts to get their food. And I didn't realize this till I looked it up, that the little brown bats can live for 30 years. Now that's what I read off the internet, so if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. They do definitely control insect populations. They can eat about 1,000 mosquitoes per night, and I believe it. They were out there busy, and there was plenty of not just mosquitoes, but all kinds of flying insects that were flying around the barnyard at night. So this little guy I have hanging from a little tree branch with the moon out and about I like his eyes that I did. And I have realized when I'm drawing with the pencil that I can, if I see a different angle on a piece of fur or whatever, when I ink it, it really helps when I concentrate on my inking, and then I can cover up any of those little mistakes that I've made. I know these aren't all perfect, but they are hand-drawn, and that's kind of unique now in the coloring book industry, that everything is AI. So I wanted to put out something that no one else is doing, and hope to see a success with it. I've got a few more drawings to do before the end, and we'll get to putting out a coloring book. So the bat is completed. Here's my final drawing, and I hope you have a great weekend.